Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic, global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Welcome, Sugar Cookies. It's me, your lifestyle, beauty, fashion, whisper. Guess what? It is flipping cold here in Central Florida, and I mean like 30-something degrees in the morning and dropping at night in Central Florida. So I have a few things on hand, and I feel like making some
delicious soup.
I hope that everyone is well, and let's get to making this soup. This is what I have on hand, and I'll be using. I crushed up some fresh garlic. I had some tomatoes and I had to use them. I have some baby potatoes right here that I've cut or chopped, I should say, into even sizes just so they'll cook evenly. Rotisserie chicken breast, fresh spinach. I have a mix of onions, pepper, mixed bell peppers, and celery, and a little bit of parsley. This is a frozen mix as well. This is also a frozen mix of veggies right there. And did I say rosemary? Because I'm gonna add some rosemary. Some turmeric. Some because she always has to come to a soup party. Delicious, adds a nice smoky flavor. A chicken blend right here that has no salt. This is chicken bouillon.
Some pepper to activate the turmeric. I don't know why I said it like that.
And some olive oil. My pot is already heating, so let's get to making. Sugar Cookies, I forgot to press record where I left off that the pot was already heated, and I dry sauteed the frozen mixed bell peppers and onions until it rendered all of its water. Yes. And then I added the potatoes to it, again dry. Now you see me here adding some of the rub sage. Can you see how crispy that is? That's flavor. It takes a little more time because you're sauteing all your layers, but oh my gosh, same thing with these mixed frozen vegetables. It renders a nice roasted flavor to them. Trust me when I tell you that this is going to give you such depth of flavor. It's all about the layers. Do you see how it just deglazed the bottom? Look at that. Look. And I'm going to add some heavy cream as well.
Smells good! Bam! Boom pow!
Add the rosemary. In the pot, Cookie, in the pot. Ow! Don't throw these out, throw the rest in there and fish it out later. Just like that. That's flavor, baby. The spinach and the cream I'm adding last.
Oh my gosh, it smells delicious.
Adding this dry intensifies the flavor of everything, all the spices. It toasts the spices as well. smoky flavor and a little heat. Add a little more oil if you need to. Six cups of water.
How beautiful. I wish you could smell this. Delicious.
Oh, look at that. It's still a little hot. I let it cool off as much as I could, but look at that deliciousness. Oh, she's gonna come in my belly. Let's try her out. Look at that, how beautiful. Go ahead, take a little bite. Thank you, Jesus. Ooh, she hot. I'm so glad that I added that rub sage in there, and I watered down the heavy cream, and then I tempered it. The layering situation, oh, you need to do this. Try this out. I promise you, it's delicious. If you have a delicious chicken recipe, post it down below or share it on my IG, CookieMix67. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you thought about the soup situation here. And share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring.
Post your notification bell, ding dong ding ding bell. And select all so you don't miss my videos.
Be blessed, not too stressed. I'll see you in the next. Ooh, I gotta go eat this soup now. Gotta go. Bleh. Can I speak? Your lifestyle.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.